Let's start to improve our language. With our channel, Fluent English and Deutsch Practice makes perfect. Are you ready? Let's go. Fluent English and Deutsch, our channel. Hello, my friends. Welcome to your channel, Fluent English and Deutsch. Today we are going to talk about an important topic. Are you ready?
Ellie, I'm so hungry. I didn't eat lunch today. My stomach is empty.
Oh no, that's not good. I'm hungry too, actually. Hey, look over there. There's a fast food restaurant right across the street. Do you want to go and eat something?
Fast food? Yes, I love fast food. It's quick and it tastes good. But actually, I'm a little worried about something.
Worried? What are you worried about?
Well, I don't really know how to order food in English. Every time I try, I get very nervous. I don't know what to say.
Oh, I understand. But don't worry about that. Ordering fast food in English is actually very easy. The words are simple and the sentences are short.
Really? That makes me feel better. Can you teach me? Can you help me practice before we go inside?
Of course. Today, let's practice fast food English together. I'll teach you everything you need to know. Okay, first, let me teach you some important words. The word order means to ask for food at a restaurant. When you tell the staff what food you want, you are ordering.
Order. Got it. So, order means to ask for food. Okay, what about menu?
The menu is the list of food and drinks that you can choose from. At a fast food restaurant, the menu is usually on the wall, above the counter.
Okay, I understand. Order and menu. Let's go inside.
Great, let's go. Don't be nervous. I'm right here with you. Okay, Ken, look up there. That big board on the wall is the menu. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it. Wow, there are so many things on the menu. I don't know where to start. What should I get?
Don't worry. Let me explain the basic items one by one. First, burger. A burger is meat between two pieces of bread. The bread is called a bun. You know burgers, right?
Yes, of course. I love burgers. A burger is my favorite fast food.
Good. Next is fries. Fries are pieces of potato cooked in hot oil. In America, people say fries or French fries. They're very popular.
Fries. Okay. I like fries too. They're salty and delicious. What else is on the menu?
There's also chicken. You can get a chicken sandwich or chicken nuggets. Nuggets are small pieces of chicken. And then there's salad. Salad is fresh vegetables. Some people like salad because it's healthy.
Burger, fries, chicken, salad. Okay. Hey, Ellie, I have a question. I can see the word combo on the menu. What does combo mean? I've never heard that word before.
Oh, great question. A combo is a set. You get several things together for one price. Usually, a combo comes with 3 things. First, you get a burger. Second, you get fries. And third, you get a drink. It's usually cheaper than buying each thing separately.
Oh, so a combo is a burger, fries, and a drink together. That sounds like a great deal.
Yes, exactly. And one more important thing, you can choose the size of your combo. There are 3 sizes. Small is the smallest, large is the biggest, and medium is in the middle. Not too small, not too big.
Small, medium, large. I understand. Okay, I think I'll get a burger combo. I want the medium size.
That's a great choice. Are you ready to go to the counter and order?
I'm still a little nervous. What do I say when I get to the counter?
It's very easy. First, the staff will ask you, "May I take your order?" That means, "What would you like to eat?" Then you just say, "Can I get a burger combo?" That's it. Just tell them what you want.
Can I get a burger combo? Okay, I can do this. Let's go.
Hello. Welcome. May I take your order?
Hi. Yes, please. Can I get a burger combo?
Sure. A burger combo. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
Medium, please.
Okay, a medium burger combo. And what would you like to drink? We have Coke, Sprite, orange juice, iced tea, and lemonade.
Let me think. Can I get a Coke, please?
Of course. So that's a medium burger combo with a Coke. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
All right. Please wait over there. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a chicken sandwich, please?
Of course. Would you like just the sandwich or would you like to make it a combo?
Just the sandwich is fine, thank you. But can I also add a side of fries?
Sure, no problem. What size fries would you like?
Small fries, please.
Okay, small fries. And would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I just get a water?
Sure thing. So that's a chicken sandwich, small fries, and a water. Is that everything for you?
Yes, that's everything, thank you.
Okay, and is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We'll eat here.
Great. Your total comes to $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. And here's your receipt. Please keep it. Your food will be ready in just a moment.
Thank you.
Ellie, I did it. I actually ordered food in English all by myself. I can't believe it. I'm so happy.
You did a really great job, Ken. I'm proud of you. See, I told you. Fast food English is simple. The sentences are short and the words are easy to remember.
Yes, it was much easier than I expected. I was worried for nothing. Oh, this burger is really good. It's juicy and delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Hey, let me teach you some more useful words while we eat. Okay, look at this. Do you know what this is called in English?
That paper thing? Is it a tissue?
Close, but not exactly. In English, we call this a napkin. 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 You use a napkin to wipe your hands and your mouth when you eat.
Napkin. Okay, I'll remember that. Napkin, not tissue.
Right. And do you see this red bottle here? This is ketchup. Ketchup is a red sauce made from tomatoes. It's sweet and a little sour. You put ketchup on your fries or your burger. It makes everything taste better.
Ketchup. I know that word. I use ketchup a lot in Japan, too. And Ellie, what do you call this flat thing? The thing that our food is sitting on?
Ah, good question. This is called a tray. 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 When you order food at a fast food restaurant, your food comes on a tray. You carry the tray to your table.
Tray. That's easy to remember. And what about that piece of paper the clerk gave us? Is that called a receipt?
Yes, that's exactly right. A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. You should keep your receipt. Sometimes you need it if there's a problem with your order.
Receipt. Got it. Napkin, ketchup, tray, receipt. I'm learning a lot today.
You really are. Hey, how are your fries? You haven't tried them with ketchup yet.
They're really good. I love fries so much. I think fries are my favorite thing about fast food.
You should definitely try them with ketchup. Just put a little ketchup on your fries. Trust me, it's the best way to eat fries.
Okay, let me try. Oh, wow, you're right. This is so much better. Ketchup and fries are a perfect match.
I told you, everyone loves fries with ketchup.
Ellie, I ate all of my ketchup. I want more ketchup for my fries. But how do I ask for more in English? What should I say to the staff?
That's a great question. It's very easy. You can say, "Can I get more ketchup?" Listen again. Can I get more ketchup? Now you try. Say it.
Can I get more ketchup?
Perfect. That was great. And here's another useful phrase. If you need one more napkin, you say, "Can I have another napkin?" Listen, can I have another napkin? Can you say that?
Can I have another napkin?
Excellent. You sound very natural. Okay, let me explain something important. There are two patterns. The first pattern is, can I get more? You use this when you want more of something. More ketchup, more water, more fries. The second pattern is, can I have another? You use this when you want one more of something. Another napkin, another cup, another bag.
Oh, I see. So, can I get more is for things like ketchup and water, and can I have another is for things like napkins. That makes sense.
Exactly. You understand perfectly. Okay, let me test you. How would you ask for more fries?
Can I get more fries?
Great. And how about one more napkin?
Can I have another napkin?
Perfect. You're doing so well. These phrases are really useful. You can use them at any restaurant, not just fast food restaurants.
That's great to know. This is really fun. I feel much more confident now.
That's the spirit. You should feel confident. You're learning so fast.
That was so delicious. Thank you so much for teaching me today, Ellie. I learned a lot of new words and phrases.
You're welcome, Ken. You did a really great job today. I'm impressed. Okay, before we go home, let's do a quick review. Let's make sure you remember everything. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Okay, first question. What does order mean?
Order means to ask for food at a restaurant. When you tell the staff what you want to eat, that's ordering.
That's right. Perfect. Next, what is a combo?
A combo is a set. You get a burger, fries, and a drink all together for one price.
Excellent. You remembered that perfectly. Okay, what are fries?
Fries are pieces of potato cooked in hot oil, and they taste amazing with ketchup.
That's right. You really do love ketchup now. Okay, what is a drink?
A drink is something you drink like Coke, water, orange juice, or lemonade.
Good. Now, this is a very important one. What does for here mean?
For here means you eat at the restaurant. You sit down and eat inside.
Perfect. And what about to go?
To go means you take the food with you. You take the food home or eat it somewhere else.
Wow, Ken, that's perfect. You remembered every single word. I'm really proud of you.
Thanks, Ellie. Today was really fun. I feel like I can order food in English now. I'm not nervous anymore.
That's wonderful to hear. And you know what? Next time, let's go to a cafe together. I'll teach you cafe English. You can learn how to order coffee, tea, and other drinks at a cafe. There are a lot of fun words to learn there too.
Cafe English? That sounds amazing. I love coffee, so I really want to learn cafe English too. I can't wait for next time.
Me too. It's going to be great. Okay, see you next time, Ken.
See you next time, Ellie. Thank you again for everything today.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. And thank you for being here with us today. We hope you enjoyed the story and improved your English along the way. More videos are coming soon, so stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. في نهاية الفيديو لا تنسى الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس ليصلك كل جديد، ولا تنسى أن اللغة للممارسة وليست كلمات فقط. واكتب لنا في التعليقات جملة جديدة